In this video, we're going to show you how to add a pair of D-rings and picture wire to the back of your frame. For this project, we will need a screwdriver, a marker, painter's tape, picture hanging wire, 2 D-rings, 2 screws, a measuring tape, wire cutters, and a drill. Start by marking 2 lines on the sides of the frame. Make sure they're the same distance from the top, no more than 1/3 of the way down. To avoid splitting the frames, we like to drill small pilot holes where the screws will go. Here are the D-rings we'll be using. They come in different sizes. Pick the ones that will fit your frame. Attach them to the frame with the screws. Now, let's install the picture wire. Pass the wire down through the ring, pull it up, and cross it over. Pass the wire up through the ring and through the loop you made, then pull tight. Wrap it around the wire and cut the excess. For the next knot, make sure you leave extra length before cutting the wire. Repeat the steps to tie the second knot. Leave a bit of slack in the wire so that it's not pulled too tight. That's it! You are ready to hang your picture.